We're going to MACAO Beach. We woke up with this.
In the AM.
In the AM.
Mommy woke me up. Look at the sunrise.
Mama wants to see the sunrise. Woke up for this.
So we woke up for. Oh, you can't see it though.
MACAO Beach.
Dos nuestras playas. Playa MACAO.
Jerry. Nice to meet you guys. My name is Edgar.
Edgar?
Yes.
MACAO Beach.
go. It's one of the nicest beaches in Punta Cana.
It's really nice. The warm water, cooling.
Yeah, this is MACAO Beach. So if you're ever in Punta Cana, and if you want to go surfing, just call them and arrange ride for you also. You can pay online. That's what we did. We paid $59 for a ride back and forth from our hotel in the Finest. And how much did you pay for the board? It's like $29 per board for 4 hours.
4 hours.
Yep.
It's
And
a
if
good
you
deal.
want to learn, we rented it. That's why it's cheaper. But they have instructors, so if you want to actually
Learn.
learn,
They have a school.
and they have instructors to do that. They also offer videos and pictures and stuff like that. So pretty good deal. So if you are here in Punta Cana, make sure check out MACAO Beach.
That's a surfing school right there, or surfing lesson.
All right. Bye-bye. Till next time.
You're gonna carry that all the way down over there to those huts.
If you're ever in Punta Cana, remember, rented the board. What's your name again?
Edgar.
Edgar. All right. That's Oscar right there. Bye-bye. Okay, we missed our lunch with the other place. So good thing that they have this bar, Legend restaurant. We're getting some buffalo wings and burger. Salute. No karaoke tonight. Last night, no
Looks
karaoke.
like you got a tan there, mama.
Yeah, I do. Good. Fries. And more buffalo wings. Burger coming up. Last night here in Punta Cana, the Finest. And we're celebrating my birthday. Oh my god, I'm getting old. Anyway, salud. Appetizer.
1,
And two.
2, 3. Ta-da!
All right, thank you,
Thank you so
Joe.
much.
Wow.
Yeah, it has the gravy.
Mine does not have the gravy. Well done this time.
Happy birthday, honey.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Señoras y señores, fuerte aplauso for our fire show!
Since we're celebrating my birthday today, salute.
Happy birthday.
Kudos to Lee right here. He was able to get me a gluten-free cake for my birthday, and it says Feliz Cumpleaños. Right. Guess that means happy birthday. And they also brought some champagne. They really made my day.
Happy birthday, honey. I hope you enjoyed your birthday. This is our last night. It's been an awesome week. They made way to make this birthday cake for Isa. So awesome. All right, let's open up this champagne for the birthday girl. Saint Honore, extra dry.
I really like this champagne. This is like a welcoming champagne when we first came in, and I loved
Take a
it.
picture of this so that we can find it online or something and order something because this is big good champagne. I like this a lot. We both did.
And when we arrived in the room, they also had this champagne. Just to guys let you know.
Yeah, so if you're ever in the finest hotel, this is what you will have when you come in.
Probably gonna have to hold that thing so that it will pop to the ceiling, huh? Yes. Ooh! Salud.
Happy birthday. Good stuff.
Do I get to cut my cake now?
Yes.
I'm excited. What's in here? It's probably like a mousse or something, huh?
Maybe.
So sweet though. The icing on the outside, that looks delish.
Talk about detail. Enjoy.
Let me take the first bite. Mmm.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. It tastes special.
Well, it was specially made for you. It's good.
From Jer and Isa. 2 thumbs up.